In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to donate to a charity project on Binance. If you'd like to support a humanitarian or environmental cause using cryptocurrency, Binance makes the process fairly simple, whether you're using the website or the mobile app. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full donation flow so you know exactly what to expect before you send anything. To get started, log into your Binance account on the web or in the app. Once you're inside your account, go to the menu or use the search bar and look for charity. This is where Binance lists its donation platform and the available campaigns you can support. If you're using the mobile app, the layout may look a little different from the desktop version, but the search feature is usually the fastest way to find it. After you open the charity section, take a moment to browse the active projects. You'll typically see humanitarian initiatives, environmental causes, and other community-focused campaigns. Read through the project details carefully before choosing one. This is helpful because each campaign may have a different mission, fundraising goal, or destination for the support being collected. Once you find the project you want to support, select it to open the donation page. From there, click Donate. Binance will then ask you to choose the cryptocurrency you want to use. Depending on what's available and what you already hold in your account, you might choose something like USDT, BNB, or BTC. After selecting your preferred coin, enter the amount you'd like to donate. Make sure to double check the amount before moving on, especially since crypto transactions are generally not reversible once confirmed. It's also a good idea to confirm that you have enough balance available, including any network or platform-related requirements shown on screen. When everything looks correct, confirm the payment using either Binance Pay or your spot wallet, depending on the option presented to you. Review the final details one more time, then approve the transaction. After the payment goes through, you should see a confirmation that your donation was submitted successfully. And that's it. You've now completed a donation to a charity project through Binance. As a final tip, keep a record of your transaction confirmation for your own tracking, and always review the project information carefully before donating. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete your donation smoothly and confidently.